Today's big dream, build some ramps for this truck. Maybe to skateboard on. Alright, next day or month or year, or it's been a few days, maybe a month, I'm not sure. Things come up, but anyway, I've been working on it. Ramps. That looks pretty good. Don't look too close. And then got this one. A few more hours, days, a month. Time slips by. It's hard to get anything done. Iron's in the fire. You know how it goes. Anyway, here we go. Ta-da! Burp, burp. No. Don't look. Not yet. Well, there you have it. Ramps. This took way too long. But it worked. Gotta say, it looks cool. Seems like a load. Man, it's cool looking. Man, it'd be cool to use that every day. Just tow it all day with this old truck. Yeah. Man, that's cool. All this was an old trailer I just cut and welded and took way too long on. But man, that pride sure is something. Heck yeah. Well, I don't know if we'll ever get anything done, but at least we got big dreams. Oh, and concrete.